Good morning, students. I am Dhirendra, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is third part of video lecture of lesson 2nd of Geography. Chapter's name is Inside the Earth. Yesterday, we studied about igneous rock. Today, we will study about sedimentary rocks and uses of rocks. Dear students, how sedimentary rocks are formed? Rocks crack by weathering and by hitting each other while they were rolling on slopes. They were broken into small particles. Small particles of rocks are called sediment. They are washed away and deposited by wind and water. These are called sediments. These loose sediments is hardened and compressed in layers. This is called sedimentary rocks. And between layers of sedimentary rocks, animals, plants, and other microorganisms are trapped between two layers of sedimentary rocks. They are called fossils. Fossils means remains of plants and animals. Fossils means remains of plants and animals between two layers of sedimentary rocks. Very good example of sedimentary rock is sandstone. These stones are formed by deposition of grains of sand. Dear students, sedimentary rocks and igneous rock. These rocks also transformed under certain condition and under high pressure and temperature. They are transformed. For example, clay is transformed into slate and limestone is transformed into marble. Now we will study uses of rocks. Students, all of you should be aware of some games played with the help of stone. For example, pitto, 7 stones. Kitkitta, gitti. In villages or folk language, this is called Gana Goti. These are the games played with the help of stones. Students, stones are very useful for making roads, houses, and buildings. Dear students, you will be surprised that rocks transformed into from one form to another form. Rocks are transformed from one form to another form. This is called as rock cycle, for which we will study tomorrow. Dear students, today we studied about sedimentary rocks and use of rocks, fossils. Sediment means what? Sediment means settled down. Means these rocks are found on the bank of rivers as well as oceans, where moving water deposits sediments, and these are get deposited layer by layer, and between layers animals and plants are trapped. Dear students, you will be surprised to know that petroleums are found in deposition of sedimentary rocks. So that's all. Tomorrow we will study uses of rock cycle. How rocks turned into soil and they are get deposited on the banks of or seashore, and ultimately how they become rock. Means we will study tomorrow journey of rock. We will notice or we will see by how many phases rocks have to travel to become a rock again. That's all. Good day. Stay at home. Fight with Corona.